somebody who had a blind speed season. Blood, sweat, and tears. We're hoping this fixed. And we've been going there. So that was probably early 2007. We decided for that.
Ito na talaga yung malupit na bisikleta. Tignan nyo naman mga idol. Naku, kahit sa EDSA mo ba ito dalhin, talagang hindi ka madaling mabangga. Kasi naku, sobrang laki na to. Ang taas pa, naku. Mataas pa siguro ito sa mga bulse. Kahit siguro mabangga ka ng kalbo na driver, naku, hindi ka talaga madaling mabatukan nito. Bakit wala? Ito na talaga yung malupit na bisikleta. Tignan nyo naman mga idol. Naku, kahit sa EDSA mo ba ito dalhin, ito na talaga yung malupit na bisikleta. Tignan nyo naman mga idol. Naku, kahit sa EDSA mo ba ito dalhin, talagang hindi ka
PIBA began to respect the team. PIBA understood our love for basketball. It's a lot of communication with PIBA.
It's really the perception of pagod natin, no, as a people, right? And of course, all of us,
Alam ko lang nanonood yung basketball sa inyo.
Hindi kong basketball.
fix our house, because we have access reputation,
Updated ko sa
we can fail the Philippines.
I think it's the
Ito
discipline.
mamansin na mamansin. Ito mga pinapansin ko. Pag kahit na bukas ang TV, naglalaro ka.
Because you also need funds.
Pinapansin ko ba yun?
People, you need programs, you need initiatives to
Makapagano ka na,
elevate
makapagpansin na.
everybody in this
kasi
case.
pagdalaman daw ng TV mo, alam ko lang.
Eh, ikaw, pag naglalaro ka, nanonood bukas ang TV, ano, may sinasabi ba ako?
Yourselves in international competition.
Sige.
That needs a lot of funding for sure. And you can only be better if you benchmark yourselves against
Hindi ka makapagsalita.
also bring in partnership from government.
Naglalaro lang ako pagka commercial.